In this example, we are to draw a graph to match the description given. F of x has a negative derivative over the interval negative infinity to 1 and a positive derivative over the interval 1 to infinity. When a function has a negative derivative, it means that the slope of the tangent lines are negative, and it also means that the function is decreasing. So f is decreasing on the interval negative infinity to 1. And then when we have a positive derivative, it means that the slope of the tangent lines are positive, which means that the function is increasing. So then the function is increasing over the interval 1 to infinity. So that means 1 is a critical point and 1 is a minimum, since we go from decreasing to increasing. Now we're not told what the actual function value is at 1, so we can place our function anywhere on the xy axis. So there's more than one possible answer here, but we do know that our minimum occurs at 1. So for example, I could plot our minimum point here at 1, -3. Next, we want to graph our function with a negative derivative. So we want it decreasing, and then on the interval negative infinity to 1. And then from 1 to infinity, we want our function increasing so that our derivative is positive. So here's one possible answer for this description.